50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 49. Courage to forgive. Dear God, grant me the courage to forgive those who have hurt me. Help me to release any bitterness or resentment, and to find healing through forgiveness. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Success is not about being the best, it's about being your best.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Reduce your use of fossil fuels by carpooling, walking, or using public transportation.
For unity for a happier world.
Let us unite against all forms of discrimination and work towards a world where equality is the norm.
What is the purpose of our life?
Life's purpose is to find balance, to cultivate physical, mental, and spiritual well-being.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima.